In an interview with TechBullion, Reddy from Zetwerk Manufacturing outlines how technology is enhancing global manufacturing. Zetwerk is a global source for manufacturing, industrial, and consumer products, offering a wide variety of manufacturing capabilities to large Fortune 500 and small customers alike. The company makes manufacturing and global sourcing seamless, aided by their Manufacturing OS software. Zetwerk has built a wide spectrum of industry-specific manufacturing solutions across multiple geographies. Some unique manufacturing services Zetwerk provides include an asset-light approach, which allows the company to offer many different manufacturing processes and capabilities under one roof. Traditional asset-heavy manufacturers are capacity and process limited. A manufacturing footprint in multiple geographies, India, Vietnam, China, Mexico, and the US, so customers can truly diversify their supply chain by leveraging both nearshoring and offshoring opportunities with Zetwerk. Proprietary software and technology to digitize manufacturing and supply chain operations. What is the current global market size of the manufacturing industry, and what are the trends to look out for in this market? According to Reddy, the global industrial manufacturing market size is estimated to be valued at about $842.5 billion by 2027. A huge trend that will only continue to grow in this industry is the digital transformation of the entire ecosystem. He feels that digitization will help companies build resilient supply chains by enabling real-time visibility and transparency. This allows companies to act proactively to mitigate potential disruptions. Another interesting trend that he noticed is companies who have been sourcing domestically in the US are looking east to take advantage of the low-cost Asian manufacturing, also known as offshoring. On the other hand, many companies that have been sourcing offshore are heavily reliant on China. To diversify, these companies have been looking at alternative tariff-free and cost-effective manufacturing destinations, also known as friendshoring. Other companies are trying to bring some pieces of the supply chain back to the US or Mexico to avoid uncertainties and disruptions caused by global logistics, also known as nearshoring or reshoring. The current trend is to find the perfect balance between nearshoring and offshoring in order to create a diversified and resilient supply chain. Zetwerk, with a manufacturing footprint in India, Vietnam, China, Mexico, and the US, offers a unique combination of nearshoring in the US and Mexico and offshoring in India, Vietnam, and China supply chain solutions to its customers. Global logistics continues to remain in a state of disarray. Hundreds of container ships are consistently waiting to berth outside of major ports around the world. Freight costs have surged over 7 to 10 times higher than during pre-COVID times. Local manufacturing capacities have choked as a result of a sudden increase in demand. Companies are now trying to navigate ocean freight challenges by quickly switching to high-cost domestic manufacturing. For more information and resources, check out the links below this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.